beautiful too. That's beautiful. That same version maple too. This is also. Oh, wow. Well, what makes it maple?
Hello.
Oh, geez, take a close look. See if we're a little bit more dimensional than you might expect.
This is all from the BC area. It looks familiar.
Yeah.
That's in the
Few in Maryland, few in Virginia, but mostly
I
the
see.
DC kind of metro area.
Correct. That's in the Rock Creek Park, isn't it?
It is. Yeah. That's
I've
a
been
water
there.
bridge. Yeah.
So this photography.com is kind of a website, and
Yep.
I see. And the pictures are taken by different people. The name.
No,
Different
it's all me.
artists. All you?
Yeah, I
Oh.
invented it. I patented it. I'm the only one in the world doing it.
Interesting.
It's all my process. Yeah. Yeah. If you Google sculpted photography, you just get me.
I see.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, this is a photograph. I bonded on the sheet metal on the backside.
Yeah.
And I worked the two together to turn it into 3 dimensions. And I got to be very careful not to like scuff or crease or damage like the front side.
I
Then the metal is going to kind of retain the new form. And just going very carefully, and it's an all analog kind of process to manipulate it.
Correct. Interesting. Yeah, that's true. 3D.
Oh, that's the big dog.
Very nice. I like it.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good. Thank you.
Yeah, she's got the paperwork and all because we were like, but she's the truth is she's very
You have to work at it.
They do have sunflower oil, which I do.
These are always super fun. This one has like a.
How are you?
Good.
What is this all called?
Are you
No.
picturing me?
No. Sorry. It's
Okay.
what is this art called?
Sorry?
What is this art called? Art.
There's no name.
There's no name. I see. Okay. What is the material? It's some metal and then wood. Is it metal and wood? Interesting. It's nice.
Darkness. And then there are many artists don't have lights.
Right. Okay, we got somebody behind.
Oh, right.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
All right, come on in.
Nice art.
How do you like your Pocket 3?
It's nice.
Yes.
You have used it?
I haven't because I regret it. I didn't buy earlier.
Uh-huh.
It was like a $300-$400 back then. Now
Ah.
it's a $700. I said,
Correct,
no,
correct.
never mind. I can't afford
Yeah,
it.
it's good. It's nice, I like it.
Yeah.
Nice art.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. Hello.
That other road just closed down.
That's the only way that Teddy will be happy. Yeah. God. I don't want God. I don't want God. Oh, there it is. So glad
chairs. In the chairs.
Ya Allah.
No, I know. It's just too cold in there.
Babe, where are you going?
So, yeah.
That's cute. You know.
Ya Allah. Ya Allah.
Yeah, see, the light comes come up from below. You have to get a light installed. That was cool.
Yeah, go down.
I think I got something that was just like,
Ya Allah. Ya
I was
Allah.
like,
Yes.
that's what I like the one I got. But it was like, I would like to pay more than that for that first day. But I did spend a lot of money. So I guess I'm gonna like people there. The one I got was, like they're kind of facing apart. You know what I mean? And I think I feel maybe, I don't know, I think the one I was after that. Yeah, this is the one I got. Yeah. That's the guy that I like to buy. Like
Well,
another
that
one.
one just shows. You used to maybe, huh?
Yeah, yeah. But I never seen anything like that.
See,
Yeah. This is kind of cute art, like some of the people like the picture dog. You know.
yeah. That's so funny, yeah.
It's really cute.
That's it. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I couldn't decide what you like.
Yeah.
Because I went from small, and also, you know, she got this Dubai skyline. This is like 7 more Middle Eastern, like with the camels up here.
Yeah,
It
that's
might have been
really
it
cool.
might have been a thousand.
Yeah.
No, I got the information. I like $4 on that. Cool. So,
Very cool.
yeah. Alright, I think we're good.